Hey, check out this hydroponics growing system I have here. Let's check this thing out together. All right, here's a look at it. Just pulled it out of the box, and this is how it comes. And all of the contents are right down in here, so you just pop this off like that. Now we can take all the stuff out of here. All right, here is everything that came with it. Okay, how this works is you take these trays like this, these little holder baskets here, and they snap down into there. And then you'll take one of these and pop it down in here. You soak these in water for 5 minutes to get them nice and wet. And you'll put your seed right down in, a couple seeds right down in there. And then what you do then is just put that in there, and then the lid will go over it. And you'll turn the light on and do some growing. This here's the water circ pump, and it just goes right down in there, right down inside the thing. Okay, then for plugging this thing in, take that, goes right here in the back. It's all touch controls right up here, the power timer, and then you got the flower or fruit and veggies. So there's veggies, and then that's for flowers or fruit. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add water to it. So we'll put water right in there. And when adding the water, we wanna control it. You don't wanna go past the max fill line there. I got it filled up just right below the max fill line. And I'm just putting all these in here. All right, I got all the baskets in there. This little heart shape goes right there. It also has a couple extra baskets in case these ones crack out or go bad, or you lose them. That's how they're attached, just like that. Now I'll go ahead and put all these down there with the seeds in them. Those will sit down in the water like that. Okay, now that everything's been soaking, go ahead and take these. I'll put about 3 or 4 seeds in there. This is basil, so the seeds are really tiny. So now you take that and just slide it right down in there. Drop it in there, and then take a lid and put it right over that. Do the same thing for the rest of them. The water pump runs synchronously with the power on and runs once every 30 minutes. Okay, right now I've got it on vegetable mode, and what that means is it'll turn on for 12 hours and off for 12 hours. On for 12, off for 12. The power, just that on and off. And now if you go to flower mode, that'll be on for 14 and off for 10. All right, you guys, let's get to growing. Really happy with this. Thanks for watching, everybody.